guys, so what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? Hope you're all doing really well and having a really great day. In this video, I just want to go through some crypto mining strategies, but mainly I want to ask what you guys are doing. Okay, what is your GPU mining or crypto mining strategy as of now, past, or future? Okay, and so I have a straw poll down below. You guys, please click on it, and I'm going to read through every single multiple choice answer here. You guys can feel free to click on whatever applies to you. And so I'm doing this because there have been a lot of people asking, what are you doing for the future? What are you mining? Or are you hodling? Are you selling now? Or as Ethereum is going to go to proof of stake and it's going to turn off proof of work and nobody can mine Ethereum anymore. What's your strategy? What's your strategy, right? So everyone's asking that question. And so I want to gather some information here. And obviously it's not something that this is all not financial advice. Okay. Anything can happen in crypto. Everything is very volatile. So take all of this with a grain of salt, guys. This is just something that, depending on what's happening around in the market right now. And as you guys know, it's in the red right now. Okay. It's been down. It's been down like half, I think, since 60K Bitcoin. But in terms of mining profitability, it's still positive. Okay, I don't know why I've been seeing a lot of people just FOMOing out of mining. So, but anyways, I just want to just go through this, guys. What is your GPU mining strategy now, past, and future? So the first one here, are you still mining and not selling your GPUs? The next one, still mining and selling some GPUs, or are you still mining and buying GPUs? For me, I'm probably this, but for some other people, maybe not, right? So going down here, been quitting mining entirely and selling all hardware GPUs recently. And this is one, I guess, just to talk about a bit, is that the market's been going down. A lot of people have been fearful. A lot of people think like, it's a downturn now. Bitcoin and everything is going to go down. We're in the bear market now. So I want to know if some of you guys think that way. Okay, going along, mining Ethereum only and hodling. And so this one just coincides with what I just talked about in a recent video and the state of Ethereum mining regarding proof of stake and Ethereum merge and Ethereum 2.0 sharding, all that stuff that Vitalik announced in the interview with Lex Friedman. Is that in about 6 months or 9 months, depending, Q1 of 2022 could be when Ethereum merge is going to be implemented. Okay, so that's one thing. That's ultimately when mining Ethereum is going to be dead. It's going to be literally turned off. No one can mine Ethereum when the merge is implemented in the next less than a year. Okay, so unless it could be potentially delayed, we have no idea, but that is what is set right now and what people have been talking about. And so yeah, going along with that, mining Ethereum and only and hodling is just expecting that there's going to be price appreciation for Ethereum. So that's a risk, that's a gamble. Some people are thinking, obviously Ethereum developers are thinking that, but who knows, right? It's a risk. Next one is mining speculative coins and not Ethereum. So this one here is, I guess, a strategy that I would say is pretty good, but it's a big risk, right? As there's a lot of different coins out there. It's not just Bitcoin, not just Ethereum, but there have been other coins out there that have gone up in literally a straight line, like 1,000%, like Ravencoin, for example. If you were mining, like speculating that mining Ravencoin the past year, 2 years, 3 years, or whenever Ravencoin came out, and you hodled all of that Ravencoin up until the recent bump up back in, let's see here, the end of, the second or third week of February, where Ravencoin just went from 1 cent to like 20 cents or something crazy. So wow, look at that. That's a crazy jump up of Ravencoin, right? So this is a strategy, some people do. There's been some other coins that have also gone up as well. Firo, not as high as it was in the past, but it did go up recently. Ethereum Classic, another great example. Zilliqa, another great example. If you're mining Zilliqa during the bear market, you may have done really well if you sold now, that is, all right? That theoretically, okay? So that's one. I wonder if anyone is doing that right now and maybe potentially waiting for the next cycle, potentially. Okay, the next one, guys. Sold the recent top, 60K Bitcoin, and sold all GPU hardware at the top. Now, I don't really know many people that have done this. I do know I've heard of some people doing it, but has anyone done that? Okay, recently when Bitcoin went to 60,000, I think that was like a month or two ago. Actually, we can see exactly back in April. Okay, April is when Bitcoin was around 60,000, April 12th. Okay, so that was literally a good 2 months ago. So did anybody, a strategy of selling at the top or selling all their GPUs at the top as well. Okay, so let me know if you guys did that. The next one here, sold the recent top, but you're still mining and you're buying hardware. So basically, the same as this option here, but you're still mining and you still, you're keeping your hardware and you're mining. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, next one is sold enough to cover the next couple years of mining. Now, this is a strategy I've heard. I think it was Guntis Vitolins was talking about, just the recent run up that we had in Bitcoin, right? So let's say you were mining for the past, I don't know, couple years during the bear market and you've hodled a lot and you've obviously, you waited for the next blow off top that we just recently had. Have you sold any crypto to potentially just, fend off the next bear market that we could have potentially? I'm not saying not financial advice. I'm not saying that the bear market is now. It could be. I'm not sure. But just to do that strategy is to cover your next capital expenses, your expenses coming up, right? Could be your electrical costs, your rent, your insurance, security, internet, whatever, all that kind of stuff. You're maybe, you're still hodling your main portfolio. So yeah, guys, just check this one off if you've maybe sold just for all of that. Okay. Next one, guys, is continue to mine and hodl and not sell until the next cycle. So what I mean by that is, yeah, basically, I guess you can call this a cycle, and we had a cycle in 2017. If you guys believe in the Bitcoin cycles that we're having and also believing in the market dominance cycles, okay? So I'm not a financial, this is not financial advice or anything, guys. I am not a trader. Okay. I'm just giving some theoreticals here. In the previous history of 2017, where we had the last, 20K Bitcoin, the dominance of Bitcoin was very low. Okay. Ethereum had a dominance of like 31% in the market. So I remember back then in 2017 where you could trade like, I don't know, I think it was like 4 or 7 Ethereum for 1 Bitcoin. And throughout the bear market, it was hovering around like 7%. So during that time, it was like 30, 40, 50 Ethereum for 1 Bitcoin. So there's an opportunity cost there, right? And then now Ethereum is about 19% in terms of dominance. So that means now I think it's roughly about 12 or 13 Ethereum for 1 Bitcoin. So this is something that maybe some miners do as, a strategy for trading, their Bitcoin dominance. This is a big one that I'm a pretty big fan of. But I'm not financial advice. I have no idea if this is the end of the bull run and now the Bitcoin dominance could go essentially back up and what it was during the bear market, like the highs of like 60 to 70%. I have absolutely no idea. It could be that altcoins such as Ethereum could stay at these levels or go even higher in dominance as it was in like 2017. Who knows, right? Who knows? We'll see. But again, another strategy. Let me know if you guys are doing that. Okay, next one, guys, is mine and hodl with the plan to never sell. So yeah, I guess I don't know if there's some people out there that just truly believe in crypto. They, fundamentally they believe it's the next, I guess, essential financial instrument where it's going to replace fiat currency forever. In our lifetimes, I don't know if that's ever going to be a thing, but hey, there's some people out there that could believe that. Check that box if you believe that. Okay, next one, guys, is mining and selling for profit every day. All right, I don't know very many people that do that, but if you're a business, you may be doing that. Or mining and selling for a profit weekly, or mining and selling for a profit monthly. So check one of those options if you guys are doing that. Okay, next one, guys, is I have break-evened on all my hardware and still mining. All right, so all of the hardware that you've been mining for the past, let's say, year, maybe couple years, maybe have probably already broken even. But maybe, let's say, for instance, you got into mining back in January. You guys know I did do a break-even video on building a mining rig back in February, and it was a 1660 rig, not even supers or TIs. I was about getting like 150 mega hash, and that rig paid itself off throughout February, March, and April in about 88 days. So if you were mining during these times, you probably broke even on your mining rigs. Okay, if you bought and were able to make a new rig during February. All right, just an example, because if I was able to do that on one single rig, then it's all relative. Depending on what kind of hardware you have, you most likely have broken even during those times. But now that the market has also come down and also the block rewards are down on Ethereum, it's definitely looking like your break-even time to getting your money back on your hardware is going to be a lot longer. Okay, So anyways, going along, the next one here, guys, is I've quit mining due to electrical costs and or heating, space, logistics, financial issues, what have you. Okay, this one is, it could be for some people out there. I know everyone has a different financial situation, and so everyone's situation is different, right? So check that one if that pertains to you. Okay, so the next one, guys, is I'm new to the mining scene and I'm just mining on a simple gaming computer. So not everyone will have, multiple GPUs and all that kind of stuff, right? So there's going to be definitely maybe gamers, maybe just people that just are just mining on one computer. Just check that off if you guys are doing that. I guess any of these other, strategies here won't really pertain to you. I mean, I guess it could, depending on what you're doing, I guess, on one computer, one GPU. And just people that also are using their computers for gaming or business or something, and they just have one computer, they just want to mine some crypto. Let me know. Okay, guys, next one is we are still in a bull run and the top has not come yet. So this is one where if that strategy is to come to play, then the plan of mining and hodling and is probably still on the table, right? Mining Ethereum only and hodling, or there are some other things here I talked about also coincide with the bull run hasn't come yet. Okay, so again, depends if you are able to pay your electrical bill out of your pocket or something, and then just hodl all that crypto. Who knows, right? Who knows? Okay, next one, guys, is we are now in a bear market. So yeah, this could be a potential, and some people are thinking, yeah, if we're in a bear market, then what's your plan? Are you selling your GPUs? Are you still gonna mine through the bear market like a lot of people have, such as myself? Okay. All right. Next one, guys, is I will continue to mine in the bear market. All right. So this coincides with that one right there. You're maybe going to check that off, maybe not. Okay. And then the last one I have here, guys, is I'm mining into Bitcoin, NiceHash, Cryptex, Kudo Miner. So this is just programs that are profit switching, or actually NiceHash isn't a profit switcher. It's mainly the hash rate rental. Okay, whatever people are willing to pay for the hash rate. Okay, so yeah, that's one strategy, and I guess it could also coincide with the Bitcoin dominance, right? Because right now it seems to be pretty nice to be mining into Bitcoin because the dominance for Ethereum right now is really high. So if you were to trade that Ethereum into Bitcoin, you'd be getting essentially more Bitcoin, right? Versus if you were to do that maybe in the bear market back in like 2019, beginning of 2020, then you can see the ratio there from Ethereum to Bitcoin. You would get much less Bitcoin if you're mining Ethereum into Bitcoin. So now it's looking pretty nice. It's pretty juicy, right? That's a strategy some people do, and if people are, mainly wanting Bitcoin, then if you're a GPU miner, then obviously, you're just mining altcoins, so Ravencoin, Ethereum, Firo, whatever, and you're trading it into Bitcoin. That's a strategy that some people do, and check that off if you guys are going to be doing that. Okay. All right, guys. So that is it. I think I don't know if I covered all the different strategies, but I think I have here some of the most popular ones that people do, and the stuff that I've done as well. I'm not going to say which one I'm going to be doing, but maybe I'll make another video about that. I just want to get some sentiments, just some sentiment from all of you guys, and let me know what you guys are doing. If I am missing some options here, please let me know in the comments down below, and if I can see it in time, I will add it to this list. But anyways, guys, straw poll down below. Feel free to vote for whatever that applies to you, and what you guys are thinking for the future or past or present or whatever. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts. Stay strong, stay mentally, stay there. We're all in this for the long term, I hope. And I'm in it for the long term. I don't know, for some people, they think that they want to get rich quick, but crypto mining is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, I just want to mention that. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one, and peace out.